Hi, I'm Nazha studying in 4th standard. I'm from Cultivates, Kerala. I'm here to talk about Vedic Maths. I attended 3 courses of Vedic Maths. Basics, Golden Maths and Elementary Maths. All these classes were amazing. But in some classes, some topics were new to me and I thought it would be hard. But I was wrong. It was epic, just like all other classes. It was fun to learn. I always remembered all of my concepts because my sir taught me a fun way to learn. Before attending this class, in 3rd standard, I wasn't so good at maths. After attending Vedic Maths online class, I felt like I improved. All the credit to you, sir. Thank you, sir.